welcome to episode 8 in Flow's Fundamentals. In this episode, we'll be considering the essentials for adding the stainless steel booster deck. The first essential mechanic that stainless steel booster deck adds is the Super Bunnies. You can see here the example of the Super Violet Congenial Bunny. They provide several benefits. Firstly, they count as a bunny triplet. Secondly, when this bunny is attacked by a weapon, the player may roll the 20-sided die instead of the 12-sided die. Very useful for weapons level 1 through 12, obviously irrelevant for weapons that have a weapon level of 13 or more that would normally roll the 20-sided die anyways. One of the greatest benefits of them is that no other bunny of the same color can survive, so if I play that Violet Super Congenial, all of the other Violet bunnies, with the exception of the Heavenly Halo of course, will die. Unlike most every other bunny, once these bunnies are eliminated, they may never be resurrected with something like a magic fountain, nor could they be bought back with the pawn shop. Not even a alliteration situation can resurrect it. The second fundamental mechanic the stainless steel booster deck adds is the dated weapons. The dated weapons vary their weapon level based on today's date, so anywhere between 1 and 31. To see if the bunny survives, you roll the black and the clear die, and add the results. A unique rule with the dated weapons is that any player born on the 17th of any month cannot be targeted by these. An easy way to remember this is that the number 17 is highlighted visually on the card. This has been episode 8 of Flow's Fundamentals lecture series looking at the stainless steel booster deck. And as always, Jeff bless.